Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we would do a Valentine's Day inspired look, and I'm going to be going into several palettes, but Velour, and I'll use a couple from this one, the Smoke and Roses. So if you'd like to see what I create, keep on watching. So I hope everybody's been doing good. I think for the first color, I am going to go into this one, Storm Ahead, out of the Blend Bunny Lure palette. And I do have an affiliate code with Blend Bunny Cosmetics. And if you would like to go purchase anything that she has on her website, you can save 10% if you use my code BelindaMua. I put it right there on the screen. And also with Gerard Cosmetics, we have a big sale going on right now, and I hope you all have shopped it because 57% off everything on the website. Big time. So I'm going to go in with this color. That's pretty purple. I'm just going to blend this. But, so did everybody enjoy the Super Bowl last night? I hope everybody's been doing good. We watched it, and I loved Rihanna's, her little mini concert there. And the baby bump, God, it was so cute. That is the cutest baby bump in the whole world, I do believe. The way she was dressed and just it was so cute. Okay, so the next color I'm going to go in with is this Booty, that one. I don't know why I just dipped that brush into it. And I'm just going to start to blend, and I'm going to stay with this brush. Okay, I like this a little bit better than what I was doing a minute ago. Now I'm going to take this little Refer brush, and tip, I've probably said this already in like 5 or 6 videos, but always hold your brush from back here. Don't never come in like this, because when you go close to the eye and your fingers are close to the brush, you're putting a lot of pressure on that brush. You can put like tremendous amount of pressure, and you're not going to get a pretty blend if you hold it from back here. That's why my hands are always like this. I hold it like that, like a pencil, I guess, and then I, you know, just rest my finger on it and blend, and that's why I get a good blend on my eyeshadows. And working at it, you know. I have a feeling we're going to be using the pink heart today. Alright, and then I think I'm going to go into the Blends palette, and I'm going to go into Bewitched, this one. This is also from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. I will list all the palettes down below that I'm using. I'm gonna go into that Vamp shade, and I'm gonna put that on like a, okay, I'm gonna put it on like a shader brush. This is one I got in Ipsy, I think. Hip Dot, yeah, it's a Hip Dot brush. It's the Precise brush. So I'm gonna go into that Vamp, and to keep just a little bit of the purple in it, I dipped it into Promise, a light purple. See, that's dark. And then I'm just going to just kind of go in my crease. Okay, now I'm just going to take my Rose and Ben E28, and I'm just going to, I'm holding it back at the back, and I'm just pressing. I'm putting very light pressure, and I'm using just the edge of the brush, just the very tip. Now I'm going to take that dense brush, and I'm just going to blend. So I'm going to fast forward through this. I picked up just a little bit of purple. It's going to look like shit before it looks pretty. I can clean it up and stuff, so I think my blood sugar's dropped. I gotta get me something to eat or to drink. I need sugar. I have got pigment everywhere. So I just went back in and tightened up some of those colors that I put down up here. I'm just going to go through with this brush and just blend it out. So now I'm just going to pick up a little bit of Angel Eyes, the one I went in with that I started the look with. I might dip into a brown too. Okay, that looks better. Alright, I'm going to go over, do the other eye, and then I'll probably do my liner off camera, and then I'll come back and do the under eye and the rest of the face for this look. So, be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I just put on my liner, and I think I'm going to go in with I got the Huda Rose Quartz out, and I went in with Self Love right here in the inner corner, and I'm going to take this color, that purplish pink. I didn't finish my liner because I've got to do this, and then I'm going to go in with, really want to go with this one for the inner corner because this is Blend Bunny's formula. It's such a pretty color. I wanted to mix those two. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with that brush and just put a little, just tap, 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 just a little. And we're going to go right through here and make sure we don't lose that color. Now I gotta finish my liner and put on some mascara, and then I'll be back. I wanted to show you what I was doing. Okay guys, I'm back. I've got on my mascara, cleaned up my sides. I don't know if I told you this. If I did, I'll cut it out. But I placed an order with Colourpop. It was, I don't know, a month and something ago. And when they brought out the Valentine's Day collection. And I decided to order the palette, some highlighters, blushes, and things like that. And 2 pens. So I got, they had buy one, get one. And this is a purple highlighter. It's really pretty. Right here's that. And then it came with this really hot to touch blush. And I've heard good things about Colourpop's highlighters and blushes. Actually, I think I have a highlighter somewhere, an old one. That pink is the hot blush. And then I ordered 2 more singles. This is a pink highlighter, and I think I will wear this one today. And there's what the swatch looks like, so that will go pretty good. And then I also got this baby pink blush, and it's light. And then I got 2 stampers. So I got a red one and a pink one, and we're going to use the pink one today. Okay, so I'm going to go around right here and just So I've got my little hearts on, and I need some lashes. Okay guys, I got my under eye done, and I went in with the same colors that I used up top. I went in with my NYX jumbo white liner for the waterline, and I did go in with this blush. I was running my mouth talking on the phone and just went ahead and used this blush right here. And now we're going to use this highlighter. And my lip is Ecstasy lip pencil all over the lips. Line the lips, fill them in. Then go in with Skinny Dip and just dot it all around. And then I went in with the Stila in Pink Slip. Love that Stila one. Anyway, went in with that. So now I am going to spray my face with the Cream Dreamsicle. I ended up putting some blush on my nose by accident because I was talking. So yeah, my nose probably doesn't look highlighted, but these are good. They're powdery, but they're good. They went on smooth. I had on cream blush on top of my foundation. Then I went over it with powder and then powder blush. The highlighter is cute, but I don't know that it's giving me what I need. Let me get my ride or die. No, I'm joking. It's not ride or die, but This one don't never let you down. There we go. Okay guys, so let me know down in the comments if you like this little tutorial. I'm going to dim the lights so you can see the effect. Doesn't that look so beautiful? And I used the Lash Scoop, and I used the Lash Scoop Midnight Lashes and the Tarte Lights Camera Action mascara. So guys, that is the end of this Valentine's Day tutorial. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Now just keep in mind, if you don't have the same palettes that I have, that is okay. You can use a different color purple, a different color pink. You don't even have to use purple and pink. This is a very wearable look without those. I mean, this look is freaking gorgeous. And it's bringing that shimmer copper, and I love it. So if you guys enjoyed it, please give this a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing and ring that bell so you don't miss an upload, and I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed. All right, we're gonna go in very powdery.